Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to show you how you can book a cab from website that is using your desktop. So you might have recently heard about this news somewhere or the other in social media where people have tried booking Ola and Uber from the same place, that is the pickup location, putting the same destination at the same time from different devices, from Android and from iPhone. So people have observed that in iPhones, people are charged higher. Sometimes they are charged in the range of around 100 rupees extra in iPhone for the same service. So a news article has come up saying the all over fares differs on Apple and Android phones. So they're asking the conspiracy of pricing war. So this has not been confirmed by these cab companies, but it is technically possible to alter the code to show different prices. So some people have even posted their observations in platforms like Twitter, now X. So if you see here, they have posted this is iPhone 1, iPhone 2, Android 1, Android 2. So the price is showing here 299. Here is showing 199 in Android. So this is not only for mini, it is happening for prime sedan. So this is the iPhone. So now you see here prime sedan is 219. Here prime sedan is 319. Mini is 299. Here it is 199. So I don't know whether it is true or not, but from what people have posted, it looks like it's true only. At the time, if you see, it is 5:48 in the evening. Here also it is 5:48 in iPhone. So whatever people have observed, it might be true. So I'm telling you one way to bypass all those things. Don't use Android and iPhone for booking. You come to this platform. If you're in office, you can use your office laptop or desktop to book it. So if you book it from here, let's see what's the difference it's going to make. So it's not going to understand whether it is iPhone or Android. So basically it doesn't know it is iPhone. So I hope it is giving a lesser price. You can try it out. So you can log in to Ola. You can come to book.olacabs.com. It will ask you to log in with your mobile number that you have registered in the app. Then you will get an OTP. You can put that there. Then you can use it to put your location, that is your pickup location, and your destination. Then you will see the prices and you can book it from here. Now if I say mini, so if I say confirm and book, I can just adjust it on the map, tap the map to adjust my current location. I'll say confirm location, then I say confirm and book, it will book it. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.